Be still and know that I am God. Through His Word, we are reminded of His love, power, and promises. Let these affirmations guide you closer to Him. I am deeply loved by God, and His love is my anchor in every storm. Romans 8:38-39. For I am convinced that neither death nor life will be able to separate us from the love of God. God's plans for my life are filled with hope and purpose. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. With God, I have peace that surpasses all understanding. Philippians 4:7. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds. The Lord strengthens me and renews my spirit daily. Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. God provides for all my needs and blesses me abundantly. Philippians 4:19. And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of His glory. I am a child of God, chosen and dearly loved. 1 John 3:1. See what great love the Father has lavished on us, that we should be called children of God. God is my refuge and strength, a present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. The Lord fills my heart with joy and everlasting peace. Psalm 16:11. You make known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence. With God, I am never alone, for He is always by my side. Deuteronomy 31:6. Be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God goes with you. The Lord is my light and salvation. I will not fear. Psalm 27:1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Like and subscribe to Herb Angels for more motivational videos rooted in God's Word. Visit https://lovemarketingteam.shop. Herb Angles for uplifting products, American-made herbs, and tools to inspire your faith journey. Together, let's grow in His grace.